Anybody want to see how I drew these? Okay then. Okay guys, look. Oh, what have we got here? Look. 1, 2, 3. All done by me. I'm going to show you how I did it.
Shall I can't which one's first. I think it's that one. Let's go.
Hi everybody, it's Dan's Monsters here. Let's have a little bit better audio this time, shall we? Sorry, I recorded that other bit on my phone. Anyway, I'm sorry guys, it's been a while. The last time I recorded a video, it was still daylight at 4:30, and now it's going dark, so winter time has hit the UK. Oh well. So what am I doing here? Where have I been? Where have I been, you ask? Can I hear you ask? I'm just busy. Life has got very busy for me over the past couple of months. I've been away on holiday. I went to the Isle of Mull. And just work and everyday stuff. Just complete madness. So I haven't had time to do anything, really. And this was meant to be a Halloween video. Well, as you can probably tell, I made an absolute hash of that. And I didn't even get it out in time for Bonfire Night, which for anybody outside of the UK is a night where we celebrate a chap who tried to blow up Parliament and failed. I don't know whether that's a good or a bad thing, but I'll let you make your own opinion. And we burn Guy Fawkes on a big fire. It's a complicated thing, so I would sort of I'll put some details about it here probably. Anyway, so I have been away. Trying to get some ideas together, lots of sketchbook work, and I decided that I would start doing these sketch cards of doom again, which if anybody follows me on Instagram will know that a couple of years ago I started a series of cards, 50 cards altogether, entitled The Sketch Cards of Doom. I really enjoyed it. It was a great thing to do. And I wanted to really get back into it again. I've been doing a lot of my daily monsters, drawing a monster, just practicing shapes and stuff. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to get back to the sketch cards. They're good fun. And I like the compact way that you're forced to draw in that small area. I think it's a really good way to experiment with different ideas. I'm even going to try some collage ones, I think. I have done it once before, which you'll see when I show you the full collection during the intermission. Yes. This video has an intermission. I don't know whether that's good or bad. You might have just turned off because it's going to be too long. So, what have I got? So, this image was inspired by a film called Azrael, which is like a post-apocalyptic horror movie about the sort of fall of heaven, I think it is. It's not brilliant, but it's also not bad. Nobody talks in it. I think there's only one line of text in it, a text line of one guy talks in it, that's it. Otherwise nobody can. Oh, I zoomed in then. Oh, look at that. And nobody talks, but they had these real weird creatures that scream and stretch their mouths out, and it was like a bit of an inspiration. They're all very grey, and the whole film's quite grey, the original ones, but I've obviously added a lot of colour to this and made him look a bit more like he's got jaundice. And what did I use? I have used cards quite thick that I use. I bought them off eBay. I'll see if I can find a link and pop it on. And I've just used marker pens, obviously these calligraphy pens that I got off eBay, some pencil crayons, and there's of course a bit of splattering, no doubt. But yeah, so I've done, I think we've got 3 to show you all together. This is the longest one, so if you're bored already, that's quite alright. But, you know, if you like it, stick around, like the video, subscribe, why not? It could be good. I'm not guaranteeing that. So, yeah, so anyway, I have got, the red marker didn't quite work out in the background, I don't think there, but I need to find a better one. Oh, there's my little thumbtack. It's not a thumbtack, is it? What? A thimble. It's a thimble. I love this little thimble because of the texture that it gives, as you know, but it's been a while. So I just added a bit of ink colour wash there. It's a real light wash of watercolour. Anyway, we're going to go into the intermission now. Oh, yes, goodbye. Intermission time. So, I thought, as I've shown you how I'm drawing them, I'd also draw you the collection that I've got of them. Look, boom, here we go. So, that's a terrible reflection on there. I need to sort that out. Let's sort that out, shall we? There we go, that's better, isn't it? That's better. Shall we zoom out? Bing! There we are. Look. Where's that light going? Go away. I've moved it out of that way. So, as you can see, these are the sketch cards that I've done. So many. So many! And I even got an offer from Marvel to do some sketch cards for them. I can't actually find them now. Look, there we are. All those. But then they jibbed on me and they never paid me. So there you go. Screw you, Marvel. These are the ones I did that I like, just practicing with shadows and stuff. Very Magnolia. Big yellow teeth. Which I did quite a few of these because they were good practice. And then we're back to the sort of colour stuff. So I've just used a mixture. It's really markers, mainly markers, on this quite thick card, which I bought off eBay. Oh look, there's one. I've not finished that yet. See, so it's a really good card. Takes the colours really well. Takes the ink really well. I like this guy here. I do like him. This was like a collage one that I did. If you take it out, you can see. Potentially, can you see? It's got, that's like half torn paper, and I scanned this in and then cut it out and hand coloured it. And then also I have got these coming back. These are the original sketch cards of Doom that I did. Look at all these. How many did I do? Can't remember now. 50 I think it was, over a, look at them. Anyway, so I think I shall continue to do these. Right, shall I let you go back to the action, shall I? Okay, see you later. And I'm back. Here's another one. There we go. No idea where this one. This is a bit of a zombie thing. Again, using the markers. Oh, I'm drawing fast. I'm not drawing that fast. This is a bit of an experiment with the shadow. It didn't quite work, I don't think. I could have blended that shadow in a bit more. It's very Mike Mignola, and we do love a bit of Mike Mignola, that there is no doubt at all. So yeah, that's so I've zoomed in again. Oh, and now we're about to hit another bit. Oh, shall we look through the sketch cards of Doom? Let's go. Let's take a look at some sketch cards of Doom. So here are the original sketch cards of Doom that I created over 50 days. There's some added ones in here, but this is the little folder I got from... Oh, look, there's number 50 that I got from Muji, which was in Manchester at the time. I don't think it's there anymore. But so, yeah, this was a project that I did over on Instagram that I wanted to try and create 50 cards. So I did over 50 days. It was actually more than, because I did miss a couple of days out. But what you can tell, it was a great project. I really enjoyed doing it, but you can tell where some are better than others. That's a good one. That's a good one. Not so good. Good. Okay. Not good. Not good. Okay. No. It's because I was tired. No, I don't know what that one was about. Not so good. That's good. I like that one. I like that one as well. So I was really, really tired sometimes. But I managed to get the project off the ground. It was great, and I really enjoyed it. Anyway, look on Instagram. You can see more of them. Right, I'll stop wittering now and let you get back to it. Okay, goodbye. Next card, please. Oh, here we are, back with the last one. Thanks for sticking around. It's the last one. Don't worry, you can go after this if you've not gone already. This is very much inspired by the work of James Harren with those big teeth. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed these sketch cards. I'm going to do a few more. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends. Check me out on Instagram, Dan's Monsters, obviously, and obviously we're on Substack, because everybody's got a Substack. But cheers, guys. I hope you enjoyed all of these. Thanks for the support so far. I'll try and get a few more done for you, I promise. All right, guys. See you later. Bye. Ow. Well done. You've made it to the end. There you go. All done. Huh? How about that?